So this is the first application of suspension of sentence and grant of bail under Section 8, read with Section 20 of NDPS Act.
This is on behalf of each of the accused person. इसके लिए है ये
वन गोपाल
है, सिर्फ गोपाल की है। चलिए पढ़िए।
The appellant is in jail since 4 years and 10 months. The appellant is eligible under special campaign run by Honorable NASA for the prisoners suffering from incurable disease.
क्या बीमारी है? क्या बीमारी है?
AIDS.
वो तो वही परसों लगी थी, वही है क्या?
जी, जी।
वो का पॉलिसी कहाँ है? दिखाइए ना, पॉलिसी के लिए आपको टाइम दिया था ना। वो थोड़ा दी कि पॉलिसी मैडम पॉलिसी
I have filed, sir.
कब फाइल की आपने?
9/7,
हाँ,
2020.
9/7 कौन सा पैराग्राफ में लिखा है?
Sir, 1.4B, prisoners with terminal illness. Sir, third line. To actively support the compassionate and early release of prisoner with a terminal illness, to release with the legal representative of the prisoner and if necessary facility legal aid to assure that the prisoner legal rights are protected and enforced during the decision process, which may be involved lengthy and
ठीक है, वो कंफर्म तो हो गया था पिछली बार इनको
Yes,
एड
ma'am.
देखिएगा।
ये
Heard Srimati Jain, Graded Counsel for the appellant number 1 Gopal Sahu. She is seeking indulgence on behalf of Gopal Sahu on the ground that he is suffering from AIDS and in terms of the policy, in terms of the special campaign for old prisoners and terminally ill prisoners dated 10 March 24 to 10 March 25. It is submitted that since appellant is suffering from AIDS, a fact which is corroborated by Shri B.K. Upadhyay, learned government advocate, leniency be shown in the matter. Next paragraph. Appellant is aggrieved of judgment dated
11/10/23.
11/10/23, whereby appellant has been convicted under social such act. ठीक है, डाल दीजिएगा. It is submitted that appellant is in custody since 14/5/20.
yes, sir.
कब से जेल में हैं आप?
15/5/20 arrest on based of
2020. Spent more than 5 years since he is suffering from AIDS. Some indulgence be shown so that he can take proper treatment outside the jail. Full stop. It is pointed out that AIDS is a terminally ill disease and there are no chances of he being cured. And these facts are taken into consideration, then without commenting, 50,000 to sureties.
Local surety में kindly
Eh?
because the applicant is resident of Odisha, my lord.
ऐसा काम प्रावधान है लोकल श्योरिटी का, जो श्योरिटी लाएगा
इनफैक्ट मना किया है सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कि ऐसे आप कंडीशन नहीं लगा
आप उल्टी कंडीशन लगवाना चाहते हैं, या तो आप नहीं पढ़ते या आप हमारे शुभचिंतक नहीं है। चलिए।